Hi family, it's Herbalist Viola. Just want to do a quick video. I get a lot of comments about bloating. A lot of you women out there suffer for bloating, and I'm going to show you what I do when I feel bloated, and it's ginger shots. So all you need is 2 big pieces of ginger and 2 lemons. That's what you start with, and you're going to need apple cider vinegar with the mother. So make sure you get the apple cider vinegar with the mother, and maybe about 2 cups of water. It depends on you. You could use one, but today one use 2. So right now I already cut up my ginger, and I'm going to go ahead and put it in my blender. Put it in my blender, and I'm going to go ahead and cut up a lemon. So just make sure it's organic. I would have had it peeled already, but I just want you to watch me do it. But you guys, I know it's kind of bad when you always have bloating and gas and all this other pressure, and it's just aggravating. So this is just what I do when I feel bloated. Let me cut this up a little bit. When I feel bloated, this is just what I do. Just something real quick, real easy. I know what I heard, most ginger shots run about $3.50. So this is the way you can save money and have ginger, ginger shots for an entire week, maybe 5 days. It depends on how much ginger and how much water you use. But this should run you about 5 days. You want it taken every morning on an empty stomach. Yes, every morning on an empty stomach. But make sure you drink water first. I always tell you guys, as soon as you wake up, stretch and get your water in. Yes, you want to go ahead and do that always. Always drink water as soon as you get up. And this is just something easy for you if you're bloated. So just pour the water on in there, and we're going to go ahead and fire it up. I'm going to plug it in. So there you have it. You just blend this for maybe a minute until everything's all pretty much mixed up. Doesn't take long, you guys, because what you want to do is you want to strain it, because all you want to do is get the juice. So you just want to strain it. So right now you just take your bowl and you strain it. Man, this ginger smells so good. It smells the house up. Oh my goodness, I just love it. Just love it, love it, love it, love it. And as you're straining it, it's going to take a minute because all you want is juice. So we're going to pour it in there real fast. Yes. About to make a mess because I overfilled it. But anyway, we just take our time. And you see how much juice it is? And you're not drinking a lot. You're just drinking 1 shot. And you see how small the shot glass is. So it's just 1 shot. And you just take your time and let it filter. Pour the rest in there. And all you want to do is filter it. So I'll go ahead and let it finish filtering in here and catch the remaining of it. But right now, here you're left with is the ginger. So what you do is you just get your a little shot glass, and guys, all you need is 3 tablespoons. So that's 1, 2, 3. 3 tablespoons. And then with the apple cider vinegar, like I said, you want the one with the mother. With the apple cider vinegar, all you need is 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon. So you can do this every morning as soon as you wake up, because you want to do it on an empty stomach. It's best on an empty stomach. And make sure, like I said, make sure you drink water first. So, and there you have it. A ginger shot. Just mix it up and take it on down. It's very strong and it's good. So there you have it. Something quick and easy with 2 lemons, 2 big pieces of ginger, which smells wonderful, and some water. And this will save you some money. You see how much ginger I have left? And I also have some still filter in there. So there you have it, a ginger shot. Enjoy the recipe. I just want to tell you why you should do the ginger shots, because it gives you energy when you wake up. It speeds up your metabolism, because you know sometimes as you get older your metabolism slow down. So ginger shots is excellent. It's excellent. And also, you just know, I just want to make sure that you have every piece of information about ginger. I know I talk about ginger a lot in my other videos, but maybe you haven't seen them. So I just want you to see the slide. You already see it gives you energy. It actually raises the stomach acid. Some people have low stomach acid. So this is great benefits, especially if you have GERD. This helps. This actually helps. So it just does so many. Fight viruses that on the common cold. We know we talked about that. It eases the throat. So some people have a sore throat. It increases blood circulation. It acts like a natural inflammatory for pain relief. We all need that pain relief. So hey family, so there you have it. This is how much ginger I actually came out with that ginger, with that mixture. So you see how much ginger you have left. So I want to clean up real quick and show you the finished product. I know I should have did it there, but I don't know. As I'm doing stuff, that's my bad habit. I clean as I go. I know I shouldn't have turned the water on, but that's just me. But I just wanted to show you the finished product of how much came out of the 2 cups. So I would share it because it doesn't keep long. So make sure you share it with your friends, share it with your family, and you know, make sure they have no bloating and to help them with gas. Don't forget to like, share, and hit the notification button so you get the next video. I'm bad with that. I don't know why I keep forgetting that. I keep forgetting that most important step. But anyway, Herbalist Viola, you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.